Thinking about giving your garden a fresh look before summer? Let me introduce you to the benefits of artificial grass from Tile Merchant. Our artificial grass keeps your space green, clean and fresh looking all year round, perfect for chilling in the sun, hanging out with friends or just enjoying your own little outdoor space. We've got 4 great options to choose from, each one with a different feel and look. There's the Marlay 25mm, which is neat and low maintenance, ideal for smaller spaces or a tidy, minimal look. Then there's the Phoenix 40mm, soft and lush underfoot, perfect if you want that comfy, natural lawn feel. The Powerscourt 40mm gives you that rich, full garden vibe, great for families and entertaining. And for something really premium, there's the Herbert Multi-Directional 40mm. It's designed with varied blade directions for a super realistic finish. All of them are water resistant, durable and built to handle Irish weather, rain or shine. Ideal for kids, pets or just making your life a little bit easier. Come down to our showroom, check them out in person, feel the difference and take some free samples home to test. So, if you're planning a garden makeover, now's the time. Summer's coming and your outdoor space deserves to look its best with zero hassle. Check it all out at tilemerchant.ie. Artificial grass made for summer living.